Assalamualaikum parents. For the parent-teacher interview, the school will send over a link for you to join via a Teams meeting. This video shows you how to connect using a tablet. If you want to connect for desktop, please watch another video on connecting Microsoft Teams on desktop. If you want to connect for mobile, please watch another video on connecting Microsoft Teams on mobile. Once you receive the email, click on the link. It will open on your browser. You need to install the app in order to join the meeting. Click on Get Teams. Download and install the app. It will prompt you to paste the meeting code. Click Allow. If the prompt doesn't appear, open the email again and click the link again, click Join Meeting, and it will bring you to the meeting. Make sure the microphone is on and you are not muted. You can turn off the video if you want to. You need to key in your child's name so that the teacher knows who is attending the meeting. Once done with adjusting, you will click Join Now. You will wait for the teacher to let you in. Once the teacher lets you in, you can start the conversation. Once completed, you can hang up by clicking on the red phone icon. Thank you for your time. For any queries, you can contact customer care using the email listed here. Assalamualaikum parents.